Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Green Lion solar headphones. These kind of headphones captured my attention because they're having solar. And enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we go. That was a throw. So these are the solar enabled kind of headphones. They have the port for USB Type-C. I can see here on the picture because I did not unbox it yet. And it seems to be cool, by the way. It's really amazing, quite not bad. And through here, something which is so great, through these kind of headphones, they have ANC. So that's kind of something which I was like skeptical, like solar, ANC and all of that. A little bit tricky, but we're gonna be unboxing it, checking it out, what's so goody about this kind of bad boy, and I think it's gonna be really great, so as we can mash up around and see what's goody about this product. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the videos today. Guys, here's our bad boy and we're gonna be unboxing it right now because I'm really pumped to see what's inside. To be honest, Green Lion is trying to bring something which is so incredible throughout their lineup, I guess so, but we'll talk about it later too. I've seen something like this with a different brand and I was so surprised. So yeah, okay, what do we have here? Nice pack. So nothing else left on the box, just the headphones. And what are these? I guess these are accessories and some paperwork in here, I guess so. Getting a user manual in here, which is actually really great because you can read it out and understand. Through here, you're having the USB Type-C to USB-A, which is really vibrant. So yeah, another kind of stuff, you're having your headphones. To be honest, the headphones looks really great, not bad, as you can see, guys. To this kind of perspective, I really like them. Actually not bad, but it feels like the material is it's plastic, so don't think it's something premium. And when you wear it, it's just fitting perfectly. Not bad. It's a little bit intense when it comes to wearing it. You feel like you're inside somewhere. So actually not bad through there. So yeah, so I like the way they make this kind of stuff which you adjust through here, which is really great, and this side too. So yeah, it uses the solar. As you can see, this is the lineup of the solar in here, which is great, and we're going to be testing them and see what's so goody about this kind of bad boy. By the way, it has the USB Type-C, it has the Jack 2 port, which is actually great, and yeah, it's really great. So let's turn it on. If you find it a little bit crazy, the power button is the center of the volume buttons. So let me try pairing it right now. To be honest, these kind of headphones, they're really impressive, and the ANC, it's just intense. Even if you just don't turn on the ANC, it's freaking intense. And the solar side now, the part of the solar side, it's just that it uses very low power, I guess, throughout charging it, because we're going to be testing it outside, and I can experience it if it's trying to do something, because I wish they could make another kind of button to indicate that solar is powering on this kind of bad boy. But overall, it's actually not a bad thing. It's really great. I like it the way Green Lion did it here. It's really actually impressive. Now let's talk about the specification of this bad boy. Let's talk about the Green Lion SolarEcho ANC. Well, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.3. It has a walk distance of 10 meters. It has a battery specification of 3.75 volts with 300 mAh of battery. It has a charging time of 2.5 hours. Talk time, it's 20 hours with ANC and 30 hours without ANC. On the speaker size, it's 40mm and impedance is 320 OHM, which is really amazing. It has an active noise cancelling of negative 22 dB, which is really impressive. Frequency side, it has 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is really amazing. And on top of that, it has a solar built-in on it, which gives you much timer throughout using this kind of bad boy. That's the Green Lion SolarEcho ANC. It's a really nice one. I like the form factor, to be honest. It's really good. I like the way they kept the material and all of that. It looks really premium, to be honest. By the way, whenever someone just spots you, they think you have something like a JBL or something close to Peats. Is it called Peats? Something like that. Headphones, they're really good. I think it's just crossover throughout there, actually. No bad at all. It's really amazing. So these are the Green Lion headphones. Will you buy this kind of Green Lion? Because they're really budget friendly and they offer you a premium sound. The sound quality is really nice. From the scale of 10 to 0, I'm gonna be rating this kind of bad boy around 8, which is really amazing. I can't resist on here. It's good, but you have just to take care of it. It have an aux port, which I like the aux because I have aux all laying around. I can just toss in one and use it. I cannot resist out of here because I really like the way they kept it. The con side throughout these kind of headphones is the material. Do not expect material to be a little bit different. The material looks a little bit not bad, but moderate, but it's okay. So it's a budget friendly headphones. You can get it out there throughout Green Lion, and it's really amazing. And even Wiiwu has the same kind of vibe of these kind of headphones, which we're going to be reviewing them soon, the Wiiwu with the solar ones, which I think is going to be really great. So that's it. I have my hand outside there, henning around. Doesn't that make even sense? So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.